We have done nothing wrong.
Kurumirira guikio ngono kwa Boniface Mwangi muthenya wa Jumamothi, ateteri ihooto ciao mundu rungu rwa iburi ria Pan African Coalition Human Rights Defenders marokete ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Pangani kuria hingiritwo.
We can confirm he is well. He was also taken away this morning and taken to the DCI headquarters to make a statement.
Guko ni kumanyuritie ndumiriri iria icabithitio ni ruhonge rwa DCI igie kunyitwo kwa Boniface hamwe na indo iria marauga aranyitikanire nacio makiuga ni njama ya kumwerekeria gacera keru karia thirikari yoete ga kuhuthira watho uru guthagathagia Kenya na thitango cia ũTOI aria maramikararia.
That there are items that were picked from his office or wherever it was, namely 2 tear gas canisters and I think a spent bullet. We can confirm and we can state with no uncertainty that those are things that Boniface did not have in his possession.
They've arrested many young people and on the same charges of terrorism, arson, and those are the same things that they're talking about Boni.
It's very, very unfortunate, extremely unfortunate that Kenya as a country has decided to follow the path of authoritarian regimes to use terrorism laws to silence dissent, to silence human rights defenders, and to intimidate those who are criticizing the government.
Makihinyereria kurekererio kwa Boniface no matetetie kunyitwo kwa aruna ao angi aria nao metereire kuhingũrĩrwo thitango cia ũTOI na kwĩra wabici ya mũtongoria wa thitango cia mũingĩ itige kureka wĩra wao ũingĩrĩrwo.
The ODPP must exercise Article 157 of the Constitution to make independent decisions on what to charge. We believe the ODPP is being coerced by the executive to push on with this kind of charges.
Gukorwo kunyitwo kwa Boniface gukite thutha wake na muteteri wa ihooto agatha atuhairie kuma Uganda kuhanda thitango igoti-ini ria Afrika ya irathiro iguru ria giko giao kunyitwo na guthagathagio mari bururi-ini wa Tanzania mweri-ini wa gatano ni undu utumite mokirire atongoria a Kenya, Uganda na Tanzania akiuga maranyitanira kuhuthirira andu wathani wa githuri.
They are the true terrorists using violence against civilians for political aim. The arrest of Boniface Mwangi comes 2 days after a lawsuit against the Tanzanian government.
Boniface Mwangi aratanywo kurokio igoti-ini muthenya wa Jumatatu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.
Free Boniface, free!